Yeah, so I already knew my day was going to start out like this. The Jeep has been a little slow to start since the weather's been getting cooler. Actually, yesterday my wife got caught up with it at a library. I had to come out and with a jump box and start it for her. So I think I'm going to take the battery out here at home, bring it over to the store in the other car, swap it out, bring the other one back, pop it in, and we should be good to go. Alright, so once you get the battery disconnected and you get the little bolt that holds the bracket that holds the battery in, it's just a matter of lifting it right out. Seems easy enough, but this is pretty tight quarters. That is how we do that. So let's go to the store, let's get a battery. All right, everybody, the moment of truth. She's alive.